Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another video. I hope you all are safe these days. It's always better to learn something than to sit at your place doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving your precious response on the previous video. In previous video, we discussed about the foreign language which were free by Udemy. If you don't watch the video, then I am recommended to watch the video. The video link will be given in the description. Before getting started, if you are new on channel, then subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. The first course is of Python for beginner. In this you will learn the basics of Python. This course is for 7 hours and with the completion of certificate. The next course is Python for complete beginner bootcamp. This is a new latest course of 2021. You will learn the basics of Python, data structure, function, etc. This course is for 2 hours. The next course is a Python for beginner. In this you will learn all the basics of Python 3 and this is course for 5 hours. This course is some advanced. In this you will learn Python and Django framework. This course is for 13 hours. The next course is of Python micro degree of data science. In this you will learn the latest Python 3.9 and you will learn some things of data science. This course is for 7 hours. The next course is Python multi-track beginner and professional 0 to hero. In this you will learn some extra module which are inbuilt in Panda like matplotlib, numpy, etc. All the course link will be given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.